Since last 2-3 months, I was just discovering about one thing, that is one model. Like, I was searching that what is that one thinking model that will let me, or one model that will let me to think very clearly. Like, I was just searching for that thing, and on the daily basis I was writing my thoughts, what I am doing, how I am experiencing, how I am going through life in my short journal. And that's where I tried to make up. Through that, I got to know that I am getting here some clarifications about what I am doing, how I am experiencing, and also my articulation is was just improving. So I thought why it is. So I thought that it is the best thing that can let me to arrange my words in a systematical way, in a good way. So it can also work as like a in mind, like in thinking model, to think clearly. That's how it is just going to work at all. So I try to experience that thing. And if anybody has experience, like most it is said that writing over and over about the experience ideas, this helps to this helps to think better and clearly. And also in a systematical way, it helps to arrange the words and let to come out the thoughts by the form of like through words or letters. So in this way, like it helps a lot, like in the clarification of the things, or and also it reduces the stress and all, like whatever is there, like baggage and all, whatever kind of things. So this is the best method to just remove the stress and all, like whatever there is baggage. So that's how it just work. And it was nice. Since years, 2-3 years I'm doing, and it is just happening the way. But I was not much consistent about this writing idea, like writing every single day. But this year I was quite a discipline in writing, just to improve my articulation styles, and also learning how to express the thoughts into words by simply writing. And also just writing after that, whatever I am experiencing, all those things writing. That's how it's just making me to think clearly and effectively. That is it also led the people to make the things better decision as well. Like if there is a clarification about something, then that has to be come from the mind. Then like something stick on the head, and in some means it has to be come out. I mean not by telling, but in some means that those things which led the people to stuck, it could be like a chaos or the confusions kind of things. So that has to be come through, or that has to be released. Then there should be that emptiness inside mind, free of mind, like space. So that is the only thing, like that helps a lot to just make one person to just grow. That's the way. And so you can implement this. I could just implement these things, and anybody just literally implement this. I could just use these things for my next few months, just to have better experience. And let's see how it is just going to work at all. You could just simply use this diary to make the life, or create your words in a systematical way. Let your thinking model be clear. That's the game. That's the like purpose, I could just say.